Whenever the air conditioner operates in Cool 1 or Cool 2 mode, moisture is removed from the flow of air passing through the cooling coil. This can be seen from the flow of condensate water, which leaves the HVAC unit through the drain pipes situated on both sides. In certain situations, the dehumidification provided in this way is not sufficient for maximum passenger comfort. Additional removal of moisture may be required when the relative humidity of air is high, but the temperature remains comparatively low, and as a result, the refrigeration circuits operate infrequently. For such situations, an additional dehumidification mode is provided. The relative humidity of the saloon air is continuously monitored with a hygrostat situated in the return air opening of the air conditioner. When the relative humidity exceeds 60% for a period of 10 minutes while the air conditioner operates in ventilation mode with a return air temperature exceeding 26 degrees centigrade, one of the two cooling systems and the heater bank are energized simultaneously. In this manner, the cooling coil removes moisture through condensation, while the heaters prevent the saloon temperature from dropping. During operation in dehumidification mode, dehume is indicated on the TIMS HVAC display.